And he danced around a little bit, but he didn't make it rain. So that just stuck in my brain for probably about 18, 19 years. And then one day, in the springtime, about now, I think it was about 1993 or 1994, something came to my mind. I'm not making this up. I'm sitting in the library, grading papers, and I go, you know, I can do that. That would be pretty neat. So, before we get to some examples here today, I'm going to show you how to make it rain. Now, we haven't had a lot of rain lately, so we need some rain. All right? So I'm going to show you how to make it rain. So we need a few things. First thing you need is a tomahawk. Turn over the pancakes with this thing. If they're shaped like that. I never thought of that. Not a bad idea. There's a point, all right. You need a tomahawk, okay? So, we're not ready. No. Got it dressed right. Got it dressed right. Yeah, you do.
Wow. I heard that.
Yeah, you got it dressed right. There we go. It's fine. So what do we have? We have a song of SOHCAHTOA right there. You got I played basketball with a bunch of guys on Saturday mornings for many years, and I was wearing this one day when I was playing. There was this guy sitting out, so he was 30 or 40 feet away, and he goes, is that SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA is that Indian, princess, I think, or that helped Lewis and Clark, the sort of scout the upper Northwest. So, no, this is not SOHCAHTOA. She's on the dollar coin, I think. This is SOHCAHTOA. No, it's my shirt. It's my shirt. Now, we're ready to make it rain. Are you ready? One, and two. I'm not ready.
Oh, my God.
I'm not promising anything, but someone may get wet in here. I mean, who knows? Right. But you gotta have the appropriate music. So let's see. Jackie, you like that? Oh, wait a minute. Not ready.
Like that?
Okay.
Hold on.
Three. Oh, I'm gonna make it rain. Behind the back. You can't stop me. You can only take me. Oh my God, this thing.
Yeah.